Hi guys, I'm Lauren. I'm on the skin and hair team at Sephora.
And it's Jeffrey here, Sephora Beauty Director. Now, Lauren, people ask me all the time how to remove really stubborn waterproof products.
Yeah.
They find themselves tugging or taking forever to remove their makeup, and so they want to know, is there any way to make it faster?
There are products that can easily, effectively remove all of that makeup, and we actually have one in this month's box. It's the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter.
Now, this is really gonna upgrade your cleansing routine. We often get a lot of questions about how to use this product in particular. So we wanted to put together a quick video for you to answer all of those questions and show you how. So to try out this product, we have to actually have some makeup on, right?
Obviously.
So I got some waterproof products. Here's a waterproof liner from Clinique. We have a cream shadow, and then a longwear lip color. So let's do a swipe of this here. And give me some of that eyeliner.
Make it a thick liner right
Ooh,
there.
crazy! And then let's go for some cream shadow. Awesome, so now it looks like we've got a full face of makeup. Now, step number one, and very important, is that you wanna use dry hands with a dry face. Now there's a little bit of coconut oil in here, which is actually gonna start to break down oils that are already on the face.
Yep, and
right?
it's super hydrating still, which is awesome, so it won't tug.
Now, step two is to let it sit and do its thing.
Yep, just let it work its magic, let it sit there for about 30 seconds.
And this is actually allowing the product to sort of melt down any stubborn makeup that's left behind and kind of breaking that down so when you go to remove it, it all comes off really easy. So the next thing you wanna do is just remove it with water. So I'm gonna use a damp washcloth with just a little bit of water. So with a gentle pressure, you're just gonna sweep away all of the makeup and impurities. I mean, look at that.
It is like a disappearing act.
So crazy!
So you wanna follow with a cleanser, a water-based cleanser, just to get all of that sweat and dirt, etc. off of your face.
And oftentimes your cleanser has some kind of treatment quality or, you know, it's got added benefits that you wanna make sure are really working on the skin.
Your makeup melter is gonna make your cleanser work that much harder for you.
Here's to First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Micellar Makeup Melter. Loving this product. If you're loving it too, be sure to let us know.
We wanna know.
Yes, and we'll catch you next time. Ciao for now.
Bye.